In the last session, we have uncovered software required for Java programming, steps to execute Java program, and various conclusions related to Java program based on what we have learned so far. We'll see setting the path for Java. So path should be in C program files, Java, then JDK commits mine.o.4/bin. This is the path for the Java. We can set the path for command prompt in two ways. One is temporary path setting. Two is permanent path setting. So to set the temporary path setting, you will go in the command prompt and execute this path equal to and give the path like this. Then the temporary path setting is completed. This temporary path setting is only valid for that command prompt session. Once you close this terminal, and next time you have to set it again to be able to execute Java programs. It's temporary. We're setting the permanent path. You need to add the bin path to the environment variables in the path. This will be permanent and it works every time in command prompt when you execute Java programs. I have already set the path permanently. That's the reason I'm able to execute the Java programs. Next, we will see Java editions. What are all the editions available under Java? Java mainly divided or segregated into three editions. One is standard edition. Two is enterprise edition. Then three is micro edition. Let's take a look at one by one. Number one, standard edition. It is also called as J2SE, Java to Standard Edition, also known as Core Java. The next one, it only covers fundamentals. It is used to create standard or standalone applications. For example, maybe calculator application or main application or any desktop application, etc. The second one is enterprise edition. It is also called as J2EE, Java to Enterprise Edition, also known as Advanced Java, and it is used in distributed applications, web applications. It is used in client server architecture. Examples like maybe Gmail application or online ticket reservation, etc. Then the third one is micro edition. It is also called, called as J2ME, used for microprogramming and it is made for mobile-based applications. This is not up to the mark because Android and iOS are dominant in mobile applications. So Java is mostly core and advanced Java, which is essentially used for standalone applications, and Enterprise Edition is used by large organizations to create enterprise grade applications. Mobile applications, it's not that much used. Micro Edition was created, but it's not that popular. Now let's see Java versions. Java has so many versions. The first version was 1.1, created in 1996. Then we have Java 1.2, then we have Java 1.2, then we have Java 1.4, then we have Java 1.5, then we have Java 1.6, then we have Java 1.7. Then from 1.8, they started calling it as, and from then we have Java 9, then we have Java 10, then we have Java 11, then we have Java 12, then we have Java 13, then we have Java 14, then we have Java 15, then we have Java 16, then we have Java 17, then we have Java 18, then we have Java 19, then we have Java 20, which was introduced in March of 2023. Then we have Java 21, which was introduced in September of 2023. Then we have Java 22, which was introduced in March of 2024. Then we have Java 23, which was introduced in September 24. Then we have Java 24, which was introduced in March of 2025. Then we have Java 25, introduced in September 2025. Then we have Java 26, which was just released in March 2026. Regardless of what version or what version you might be on, it's pretty much standard. Only new features will be added in each release, which you will be exploring on your own based on the need. So let's uncover important Java, core Java, or applications of core Java. We can create desktop applications. We can create web-based applications. We can create enterprise applications. We can create mobile-based applications, embedded systems, etc. Now let's see how Java program internally works. We have three components in Java. The first one is JDK, and the second one is JRE. The third one is JVM. Let's see what these are. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Then JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. So when we install Java, we have these components. We have JDK, and inside JDK, we have some libraries, dependencies, whatever it is. We have also JRE. And inside JRE, we have libraries, dependencies, and other stuff. And it also has JVM. So these are the three components which we will have inside JDK when we install Java. So let's see one by one what these components are responsible for. So if you are a developer and you're developing Java applications, you must have JDK. And if you're just a client, uh, then you just need JRE to run the Java applications. So JRE will have JVM plus some libraries. Then JDK will have JRE plus some tools which are needed for developing Java applications. Now, you have already learned that Java language is platform independent. Now, let's look at Java software. If it is platform independent, is it platform independent or dependent? It's dependent. The Java software will change for Windows, for Linux, for Mac OS. So it changes based on what operating systems you are using. So it's not platform independent, it's platform dependent. Likewise, JDK is also platform dependent. It changes for each OS. JRE is also platform dependent. And likewise, JVM is also platform dependent. All these changes based on what platform or OS it should be running. Only Java language is platform independent. Once the bytecode is generated, once we compile, say we wrote s.java and then we compile, then bytecode equivalent is generated, something like test.class. This is platform independent. It can run any operating system or any platform, but the software itself is not independent. It depends on what OS you are using. This is the end of Java session 104.